So this material measures 10 inches by 15 inches. The longest part is 15 inches, while the shorter part is 10 inches. So we are cutting interfacing of similar measurements, and also lining of similar measurements, just as you can see in the video. Now we are going to be infusing the interfacing to the Ankara fabric like this, and then iron it like so. So after ironing, it will look like this. All we need to do is to trim out the excess. Trim out the excess. Trim it out. Now we have something that looks like this after trimming out. Now we are going to be adding our zip cloth to this bag. Now what I did was I cut out a zipper that is a bit longer than the material. I always trim out after sewing, and then place the lining like this. Place the lining like this, and I'm going to sew across like so. Sew across like so. Yes, that's sewing. I have something that looks like this. That looks like this. Yeah, so I'm going to be flipping it to the other end so I can sew the other end, and then I'm flipping the lining like this too. Flipping the lining like this. I'm going to sew it across too. Sewing it across. After sewing it across, it should look like this. So the next thing to do is just to split it, just open it. Yes, to look like this. But I'm going to turn it to the other side. I'm turning it to the other side, and you have something that looks like this. So at this point, I'm going to be top stitching. I'm going to be top stitching. Yes, top stitch, and after top stitching I'll just go ahead and make sure I sew the fabric and the lining together. That was what I did, so that everything will be stable. Yes, I did that, so that everything will be stable. So now I'm going to trim out the excess zipper, and trim out anything that is excess there to have a neat work. Now we have something that looks like this, beautiful. So now we are going to be adding the zip head. That's the zip head. We are adding the zip head. We are going to zip it out. Zip it out to the other side. Bring the zip head out. Sorry, bring the zip head out, and then I'm going to insert the zip head from the other end again. I did this so that we'll have a closed end. The two sides will be closed. The two ends will be closed. So we have something that looks like this. So the next thing to do is to measure 2 inches from that point that my, yes, don't mind my my tape room. I measured 2 inches and then I held it firm so I can notch it. So I'm going to notch that point right now. Yes, I notched that point, and I'm also going to do it to the other end. I'm going to do it to the other end and then notch it too. Please, if you like our video, I will urge you and beg you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, comment, share. It means a lot to us. Thank you. So at this point, I'm going to be turning it to the other side. While doing this, I will make sure I hold that zipper so that it won't rip off. I don't want it to open. So I make sure I turned it gently without the zip opening. So this is what we have. You can see that, yes, the zip is still closed. So I just went straight to that notch point. Yes, to that notch point, and then I head it. I'm going to pin it down. There is my pin. I'm going to pin it down. Yes, pinning it down, and I'm going to hold the other point too. The other point too. And pin down. Yes, I'm going to pin it down, and after that, I just go ahead gingerly and then sew it without hesitation. Please, oh, I'm begging, please subscribe to this channel. That's the only good you can do to me. And continue watching my videos because so I'm going to sew, and this is the outcome. It's looking beautiful already. Looking beautiful. Yes, I just want to cover the rough edges, so I'm using this fabric that I use as lining to cover the rough edges. So I'm going to take it to the machine. Okay, this is what we have now. Isn't this beautiful? Please subscribe to this channel. Please watch more videos. Don't worry, I'll make sure I don't fail you in this channel. I will give you content back to back. So this is what it looks like after turning it. After turning it, we have this. Oh, this bag is beautiful. So you can use anything at all to make this bag. Oh. You can use anything. So I want to add this bling bling to it. Yeah, so I actually added this key holder bling bling. It's looking beautiful. Yeah, look at our bag. Our bag is beautiful. It's fine. Yeah. So I made something similar with leather. I didn't actually add them blind into this. So you can do it, baby. You can do it, guy. Hey guys, you can do it. You can actually do this and sell. I use it to make money. You can take the contract and sew it for people as a souvenir item. Thanks very much for